don't like the fake flowers on them. That's pretty cool. I don't know, think about that one. What was I gonna tell you guys? I am looking for more Horothias for inside. Port cactus. Well, I mean, no, I think it's in there. It's just grew like that. It's a lot of them with the fake flowers. Let's go. Here is some plants that I like. Look at their setup. How beautiful is that? Their setup is so beautiful. I just want to know, where is this one here? Where is it over here where I can purchase it? That is so pretty. It's really nice pots. Look at this one. I don't think I have this. So cute. I don't have this. California Sunset. This one is the dwarf rose plant. No, wait. Yeah, that's right. Some aloe. This is a different type of aloe. This is tooth aloe. And I think these are Echeveria curmas that we had a lot of rain, and it looks like they got rained on. Yeah, it's Echeveria curma. So they got rained on, and then the sun hit them. So now they're like, they got freckles. Let me come over here in this side. They don't have a lot. I don't know what's going on. Here we go. This is a variegated sisal agave. Nice and cute pots. Let's see. This is $16 for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 different plants. That's pretty good. And this cute cactus here. This is prickly pear snow. That's what that one's called. And then this one, it's pretty interesting. I really like how chubby it is. I told you guys that I really like chubby plants. This one is Grecovaria opalina. And this one is Blue Giant. So the Blue Giant is chubby too, and I really like it. So guys, I told you guys that I volunteer at school. So a teacher that I volunteer for, that I help, it was Volunteer Appreciation Day on Friday, and she gifted me a gift card to Home Depot, and she was so generous. I could not believe it. Like, that was so sweet of her. So I'm here, shopping for some plants now. So some of these have gotten overwatered because of the rain. I'll just save my receipt in case, but I think I want this one. And this is a good price, $7. So I think I like this one. I like this one. That's 2. There's no where I'm gonna put them yet. I like those 2. And then
I like the idea of one of them being like,
I like the Blue Giant. I like the Blue Giant. It's really pretty. So I think I'm gonna do that. Let me see if I have some more of these big old like a variety of them here for $20. I haven't seen them lately bring in the Echeveria Pearl Newtonberg on its own. Normally I can find it for $3 on its own, but I really haven't seen it. Well, here it is. Here's one, but that's pretty small. I mean, the ones that I find for $2.98 are really big. And lately I just haven't been seeing them. Oh, wait, let me see what's over here. I saw something. What is that? Oh. This is probably Debbie. Let me see. It looks like her. Yep, it is Echeveria Debbie. I told you guys you can find Echeveria Debbie. But these are not looking like mine. And then is this Topsy Turvy? Their petals are whiter than mine, I feel. Yep, those are Topsy which I already own, so I'm not gonna get. I don't have this, guys, and it's so cute. I really like how that looks. Let me see, how much is this? Hold on. I really like how it looks. I mean, what's the name? It's sedum sea urchin. So cute. I like the way this looks. Okay, so I like this. And I'm not gonna get the Debbie's because I have them, but they're so fat and pretty. They're so cute. And I have some of this at home too already. Okay, guys. Oh, look at this pot here hidden with some beauties. Let me move this over. Okay. Wow, this is a really nice pot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. 7 plants for $17. That's pretty good. That is an awesome deal right there. They all look pretty good. So I see the Debbie. I don't remember the name of that one, or this thing in the middle. I don't know what that is. And there's some other ones there. I like that, but I don't know if I want, you know, an arrangement. I just want a couple. Okay, guys, so I'm just gonna choose some, and then I'll show you what I got because I can't hold the phone and pick some. So yeah, I'll do that. I'll see you in a bit. I'm getting at Home Depot. I got this Graptovea Murasaki, this really cool bluish looking cactus that had the ugly flower. I'm gonna remove that glue. Should be pretty easy. And I was thinking anyways, if I leave it in the heat out here in Florida, I know that I've used hot glue to glue things outside in the falls because it's so hot. I'm pretty sure I can remove it easily without damaging it. So I'll try to remove it myself, but if not, I'll leave it in the heat and it should do well. This is the Browningia. I don't know how to say the rest of it. Anyway, some more portulaca. It has another name. This plant has another name. I have this really cute yellow one here. So, and I have also, there's two kinds too. There's small flowers and big flowers. This one has been here already for a year and it's looking so good that I decided I moved this pot out here. And I know that my aloe will get probably a little golden. I know it's gonna change color because it does get sun here, but it'll stress it out and I think it might look good. But yeah, I bought that one to put in here. And I have another one that I had indoors, but it's not doing very well indoors, so I brought it out here. And then I got the Graptovaria opalina, so pretty. And then the sedum sea urchin, really nice. So I really like those. I don't know exactly where I'm gonna put them yet, or how I'm gonna use them. Guys, this table here, somebody threw that iron table away. Can you believe that? I'm gonna paint it maybe tomorrow. I don't know. But I have the paint, so I'm gonna go ahead and paint that. I wouldn't mind the rustic look, but it does have purple in there. So I'm just gonna go ahead and paint the whole thing. And that's what I have here. I cleaned this up and I made the sign, but my little niece came and decided to rub her fingers on here. Me and my daughter made this sign and she messed it up. I have to fix it now. And my poor daughter, she took forever doing it because she tried, trying to make it perfect. And then here comes my niece and just messed it all up. This one I just got at a nursery. It was $3.50. Very pretty. Very good looking plant. And that's it. I love this pot right here. It's got some different succulents in there and I just really love the way it looks. So it's a really happy pot where it is. Anyways, guys, so that's it. Thank you so much for watching and you guys have a blessed day. Bye, guys.